Hi, I'm John Cook, an applications engineer with Roboris, and I'm excited to introduce you to NC Coder, a new software that allows you to program multi-channel machines easily using Fusion360. Simply program your parts using a lathe mill turn setup in Fusion. Then post the APT code for the operations. A Eureka project will automatically be created with your part solid and stock model. The G-Code Assistant contains blocks of code, such as channel startup and part transfer, to avoid typical cutting and pasting of code. These can be customized by the user. Using NC Coder, you can easily set up your operations and drag the code blocks from the G-Code Assistant and set your wait codes. After configuring each channel's operations, you can post the G-code directly from NC Coder. Lastly, you can run simulation in Eureka to check for errors in the code before sending the program to the CNC machine. With Eureka G-Code, you will catch collisions in your program before you run it on your machine, and from the live editor, you can make the corrections on the spot. You can also use the stock compare tool and measure tool to ensure conformity to your part solid.